If your YouTube shorts are getting under 100 views, you're probably making one of these mistakes. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell notification button so you know when I'm posting another cold one. Let's get into the video. We all have trouble with views or wanting more views. Even on shorts, you can have trouble getting views. I even have that issue. And we all make these mistakes that can lead to not getting those views on our shorts, because shorts are important. You can get tons and tons of views and subscribers by posting shorts. So it's kind of important to know what to do and how to get those views that we want. Number one is a weak hook. Within 1 or 2 seconds, people can decide if they want to keep watching or pass and go into the next short. You gotta want to catch their attention. For example, you don't want to start the video off like, I'm going to be talking about this. Instead, you would be like, if you're under 100 subscribers or 100 views, then you should watch this. And then, boom, you catch their attention. Because tip number 2, your video is way too long. You want it to be within like 6 and 10 seconds, because that becomes more replays, and more replays are good for you, because then it will tell the algorithm, to shoot it out so more people want to watch your short. So yes, make your video shorter so you can get more replays. Tip number 3, you have to have a clear topic. Like, YouTube needs to know who this video is for. That's how they will know how to push it out for the audience that needs to receive that information or that content. YouTube has to know who it is for. That is important, very important. So it has to have a clear niche. Examples: sport clips. You do sports stuff, or educational stuff, or couple videos. Whatever the case may be, it needs to be a clear niche or a clear topic, whatever you want to call it. Okay. If you follow these tips and don't have a weak hook, make your video shorter and have a clear topic, your views should get better. And I'm still experimenting this, so you get to see if it works for me too. So I'm being honest, because some of my shorts are low, but a lot of them are high. So I can say that these tips do work. They do work. So I will be documenting my journey through this 90-day challenge, on the road to 10K. And right now we at 112 subscribers. I started at 102. We jumped 10. That's a accomplishment. So I will see y'all. Well, this is day 11. So I will see y'all on I'll see y'all next week, because this is my 3rd video for this week. So I will be seeing y'all next week. And it might be day 13 that I will see y'all. So y'all have a good one.